What if I told you that the secret to a healthier, happier, and more peaceful life could be sitting quietly in a small pot right inside your home? Indoor plants are more than just beautiful decorations. They can improve your mood, clean your air, reduce stress, and even help you sleep better. Scientists and plant lovers around the world are discovering amazing ways plants positively affect our daily lives. From boosting productivity to making your home feel like a relaxing sanctuary, indoor plants are becoming a must-have for modern living. And the best part? You don't need a huge garden or expensive setup to enjoy these benefits. Even one small plant can transform your space and your mindset. In today's video, we'll explore 10 amazing benefits of indoor plants that might completely change the way you see your home. Make sure to watch until the end, because some of these benefits are truly surprising. Number 1. Indoor plants improve air quality. Indoor plants act like natural air purifiers. Many common houseplants absorb harmful toxins from the air and release fresh oxygen back into your living space. Everyday items like furniture, cleaning products, and paint can release chemicals into the air without us noticing. Plants help reduce these pollutants naturally. Popular indoor plants like snake plants, peace lilies, and pothos are known for filtering indoor air and making rooms feel fresher and cleaner. Plants also increase humidity levels, which can help prevent dry skin, irritated eyes, and breathing discomfort caused by air conditioning or dry weather. When your air feels fresher, your home becomes more comfortable and relaxing. This is especially helpful for people who spend long hours indoors. A few green plants placed around your room can make the environment feel healthier and more alive. It's one of the simplest ways to improve your indoor atmosphere naturally without expensive machines or complicated maintenance. Number 2. Plants help reduce stress and anxiety. Life can feel overwhelming, especially after long work days or stressful situations. Indoor plants create a calming environment that helps reduce anxiety and mental fatigue. Studies have shown that simply looking at greenery can lower stress levels and promote feelings of peace and relaxation. The natural colors and textures of plants make indoor spaces feel softer and more welcoming. Taking care of plants can also become a peaceful daily routine. Watering, trimming, and observing new growth encourage mindfulness and help people slow down from busy schedules. Many plant lovers describe caring for plants as therapeutic because it creates a connection with nature even inside small apartments or city homes. Adding plants to bedrooms, living rooms, or office spaces can instantly improve the atmosphere and create a more balanced environment. Whether you choose a large leafy plant or a tiny succulent, greenery can help transform stressful spaces into peaceful sanctuaries where you can recharge both mentally and emotionally. Number 3. Indoor plants boost productivity and focus. Did you know indoor plants can actually help you work better? Studies suggest that plants improve concentration, creativity, and productivity. Offices and study rooms with plants often feel more energizing and less mentally exhausting. Greenery helps create a refreshing environment that keeps the brain more engaged throughout the day. Plants can reduce mental fatigue caused by staring at screens for long periods. They bring a sense of calm that allows people to focus more effectively on tasks. This is why many modern offices and creative workspaces include indoor plants as part of their design. Even students can benefit from keeping plants near study desks because the relaxing atmosphere supports better concentration. Simple plants like pothos, ZZ plants, or spider plants are easy to maintain and perfect for workspaces. A touch of nature near your desk may help you feel more motivated and inspired during busy work hours. It's a small change that can make a surprisingly big difference in your daily productivity. Number 4. Plants make your home more beautiful. Indoor plants instantly upgrade the appearance of any room. They add life, color, texture, and personality to spaces that may otherwise feel empty or boring. Whether your home style is modern, cozy, minimalist, or bohemian, there's always a plant that fits perfectly into your decor. Large plants can become beautiful statement pieces, while small plants add charming details to shelves, tables, and windowsills. Hanging plants create visual interest and make rooms feel more vibrant and stylish. Even simple corners can look elegant with the addition of greenery. Plants also create a stronger connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, making homes feel more natural and inviting. Unlike many decorations, plants continue growing and changing, bringing dynamic beauty into your environment over time. The best part is that indoor decorating with plants doesn't need to be expensive. A few affordable plants and creative pots can completely transform the atmosphere of your home while adding warmth and freshness that artificial decorations simply cannot match. Number 5. Indoor plants improve sleep quality. Certain indoor plants can help create a more relaxing sleeping environment. Plants like lavender, jasmine, aloe vera, and snake plants are known for promoting calmness and improving air quality during the night. Better air and a peaceful atmosphere can contribute to deeper and more restful sleep. Bedrooms filled with soft greenery often feel calmer and less stressful. The presence of plants can reduce tension and help your mind unwind before bedtime. Some plants release oxygen at night, making the room feel fresher while you sleep. Creating a relaxing bedtime environment is important for overall health, and plants are a simple, natural solution. Placing 1 or 2 plants near your bed, window, or bedside table can make your bedroom feel like a peaceful retreat. Many people notice they sleep better when surrounded by natural elements, because greenery creates emotional comfort and tranquility. A calming bedroom filled with plants can help you wake up feeling more refreshed, energized, and ready for the day ahead. Number 6. Plants increase humidity. Naturally dry indoor air can cause uncomfortable problems like dry skin, sore throats, allergies, and irritated eyes. Indoor plants naturally release moisture into the air through a process called transpiration. This added humidity helps create a healthier indoor environment. During hot summers or cold seasons, when air conditioners and heaters run constantly, indoor air can become extremely dry. Plants help balance moisture levels naturally without needing expensive humidifiers. Tropical plants like ferns, peace lilies, and areca palms are especially effective at increasing humidity. More balanced humidity can also benefit wooden furniture, musical instruments, and even other plants in your home. Rooms with proper humidity levels often feel fresher and more comfortable overall. Adding several plants around your living room or bedroom creates a small indoor ecosystem that supports healthier air and a more enjoyable environment. It's amazing how plants quietly improve indoor comfort while also making your space look beautiful and vibrant at the same time. Number 7. Indoor plants can reduce noise levels. One surprising benefit of indoor plants is their ability to reduce noise pollution. Leaves, stems, and soil can absorb and soften sounds, helping rooms feel quieter and more peaceful. This is especially useful in apartments, offices, or homes located near busy streets. Plants help reduce echoes and background noise by breaking up sound waves. Large leafy plants are especially effective for creating calmer indoor environments. This makes indoor plants a great addition for people working from home, studying, or simply wanting a more relaxing atmosphere. A quieter room can improve focus, reduce stress, and create a sense of privacy and comfort. Combining multiple plants in corners or near windows can make a noticeable difference in how sound moves throughout a room. While plants won't completely soundproof your home, they definitely contribute to a softer and more peaceful environment. Along with their beauty and air-cleaning abilities, their sound-absorbing qualities make indoor plants even more valuable for modern indoor living. Number 8. Plants encourage mindfulness and responsibility. Caring for indoor plants teaches patience, consistency, and mindfulness. Plants require regular attention, and this daily interaction encourages people to slow down and stay connected with the present moment. Even simple activities like watering or cleaning leaves can become relaxing routines. Watching plants grow over time creates a sense of accomplishment and joy. New leaves, healthy roots, and blooming flowers remind people that small daily efforts can lead to beautiful results. This experience can improve emotional well-being and provide a healthy hobby for both adults and children. Indoor gardening also teaches responsibility in a gentle and rewarding way. Many people feel emotionally connected to their plants because caring for living things creates positive habits and emotional satisfaction. In a fast-moving digital world, indoor plants offer a quiet reminder to appreciate nature, growth, and patience. They help bring balance into busy lifestyles while creating peaceful moments that improve mental and emotional health every single day. Number 9. Indoor plants boost creativity. Creative spaces become more inspiring when filled with greenery. Indoor plants stimulate the mind by introducing natural shapes, colors, and textures into indoor environments. Many artists, writers, designers, and creators use plants to build calming and motivating workspaces. Nature has long been associated with creativity and imagination. Green environments help reduce mental exhaustion and encourage fresh thinking. This is one reason cafes, studios, and modern offices often include plants in their interior design. Plants can also inspire creativity in home decoration. Choosing pots, arranging plant shelves, and designing plant corners become creative projects that make homes feel more personal and unique. Even if you don't consider yourself artistic, indoor plants can help improve your mood and mental clarity, making it easier to think creatively in everyday life. A beautiful green environment encourages inspiration and positive energy while making your space feel alive and refreshing. Number 10. Indoor plants. Create happiness and positive energy. One of the greatest benefits of indoor plants is the happiness they bring into daily life. Greenery creates warmth, comfort, and positive energy inside homes. Plants make spaces feel alive, peaceful, and welcoming. Many people instantly feel calmer and happier when surrounded by nature. Indoor plants can also create emotional connections and personal satisfaction. Watching a plant grow successfully under your care feels rewarding and uplifting. Bright green leaves and healthy growth bring natural beauty that improves the mood of any room. Plants also help people feel more connected to nature, especially in busy cities where outdoor green spaces may be limited. Even a tiny indoor garden can create feelings of relaxation and emotional balance. Whether you have one small plant or an entire indoor jungle, greenery adds joy to everyday life. Indoor plants remind us that growth, beauty, and peace can thrive even inside the busiest homes and lifestyles. Indoor plants are much more powerful than most people realize. They clean the air, reduce stress, improve sleep, boost creativity, and bring beauty and happiness into our homes every single day. The amazing part is that anyone can enjoy these benefits, no matter how small their space may be. From tiny succulents on shelves to large tropical plants in living rooms, every plant adds something positive to your environment. So, if you've been thinking about bringing more greenery into your home, now is the perfect time to start. Which indoor plant is your favorite, and which benefit surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more amazing plant inspiration and indoor gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.